Halloween. Today is Halloween.
Yay!
We celebrated by dressing up like a ghost. Still scared because that I don't want this dress. Why is Halloween celebrated? We celebrate it to have fun. We can paint on the pumpkin and decorate the home.
Jahnavi teacher, we are not dressing up like Halloween party. Then how do we celebrate?
We can paint our pumpkin in different colors.
Cook yummy treats like